Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add only horizontal and vertical border in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this blank space and select whole spreadsheet. Now click this border option and here you will find this horizontal and vertical. This is horizontal border option and click here and see this horizontal border already show you. Also change this border color and insert this border color and border style and choose dotted border, double line border and see this. Now I'll only change this vertical border. Click this vertical border and see this and I'll make it only solid border. Also change this border color green and see this horizontal border and vertical border change it. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.